Hello everyone, I am Hemavati. I am pursuing MBA in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I am going to explain about business statistics. The topic is regression analysis. Let us move on to the introduction. Regression analysis is used to predict values of dependent variables, that is y, based on its relationship between the values at least one independent variable, that is x. The impact of changes an independent variable on the dependent variable by estimating the numerical value of the relationship. Dependent variable means the variable we wish to explain. Independent variable means the variable used to explain the dependent variable. And the definition of regression analysis. A regression is a statistical analysis assessing the average association between two variables. It is used to find the relationship between two variables, that is dependent variable of y or independent variable of x. And meaning of regression analysis. Regression analysis is a set of statistical methods used for estimation of relationship between variable and one more independent variable. It can be utilized to assess the strength of the relationship between the variables and for modeling the future relationship between them. And next topic is advantages of regression analysis. Regression analysis provides estimate of values of their dependent variables from the values of independent variable. And the second one is regression analysis also helps to obtain a measure of the errors involved in using the regression line as a basis for estimations, and simple model that allows to statistically assess the relationship between the variables. And the fourth one is regression analysis helps in obtaining a measure of the degree of association or correlation that exists between two variables. And the next one is commonly used and understood. And next, disadvantages of regression analysis. Regression relations can change over time, known as the issue of parameter instability. And second one is use of regression results specific to investment contest in that public knowledge of regression relationship may negative their future usefulness. And if the regression assumptions are violated, hypothesis tests and predictions based on linear regression will not be valid. Assume a simple linear relationship. Assume that the outcome variable is normally distributed. And here we have types of regression analysis. The first one is linear regression analysis, logistic regression analysis, polynomial regression analysis, ridge regression analysis, and stepwise regression analysis. The first one is linear regression analysis. It is one of the most widely known modeling techniques, as it among the first elite regression analysis methods picked up by people at the time of learning predictive modeling. Here, the independent variable is continuous, and the independent variable is more often continuous or discrete with a linear regression line. And the second one is logistic regression analysis. Logistic regression analysis is commonly used to determine the probability of event success and event failure. Logistic regression is used whenever the independent variable is binary, like 0 and 1, or yes or no, or true or false. Thus it can be said that logistic regression is used to analyze the close-ended questions in a survey or the questions demanding numerical response in a survey. And third one is polynomial regression analysis. Polynomial regression is commonly used to analyze curve linear data when an independent variable's power is more than 1. In this regression analysis method, the best fit line is never a straight line but always a curved line fitting into the data points. Next, stepwise regression analysis. This is a semi-automated process with which a statistical model is built either by adding or removing the independent variable on the statistics of their estimated coefficients. And result regression analysis. It is based on an ordinary least square method which is used to analyze multi-collinearity data where independent variables are highly correlated. Collinearity can be explained as a near linear relationship between variables. And regression analysis usage in market research. How? A market research survey focus on the three major matrices, that is customer satisfaction, customer loyalty, and customer advocacy. Remember, although these metrics tell us about customer health and intentions, they fail to tell us way of improving the position. Therefore, an in-depth survey questionnaire intended to ask consumers the reason behind their dissatisfaction is definitely a way to gain practical insights. And the conclusion part, regression analysis is useful statistical method for modeling and comprehending the relationship between variables, that is independent or dependent variables. It provides numerous advantages to various data types and interactions. Researchers and analysts may gain useful insights into the factors influencing a dependent variable and use the result to make informed decision of independent variables. Thank you.